Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. It's a great day to be a piddler because this Traeger Ironwood 885 is fresh off the delivery truck, and I wanted to bring it to you guys, show it to you. I know that I've kind of gotten away from the unboxings lately because really if you've seen one unboxing, you've seen them all. But this one's going to be a little bit different because not only do I want to show you what's inside the box as far as the grill goes, but I also want to show you what Traeger includes in the box besides the grill. They do a great job of kind of making it a whole experience when you do an unboxing of a grill. You're not just getting a grill. I know it sounds kind of cliche, but you really do become a part of the Traeger family when you get one of these grills. And I want to show you how they make it a whole experience by doing an unboxing. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright, so we got the top off, and I figured for this occasion we needed a little beer to go along with the unboxing. And tonight it's going to be a Sam Adams Winter Lager. I think it's going to be a good beer for tonight. It's been rainy and nasty and it's cold outside, so I thought that would be perfect. And again, one of the reasons why I'm doing this unboxing is because Traeger makes it fun to unbox your grill, get it apart, put it together, and that kind of thing. They even give you your own beer holders to go along with it. So there you go, that's where that's going to be. And it even comes with a box that says start here. Lots of times when you're unboxing your stuff, you don't know which end's up, you don't know where to begin. You've got parts laying all over the place. Well, it's pretty easy because start here. So let's start here. Okay? All right, so let's get in this box. So, kind of fun. So right on top, a note from Jeremy, CEO of Traeger. Pretty cool. I'm not going to read you the note, but there's your note. I'm assuming every customer gets one of those. Also, welcome to the wood-fired revolution. It talks about getting the most out of your grill, talks about the hardwood pellets, talks about recipes, safety and maintenance, and the Traeger app. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you the Traeger app is absolutely awesome. Also gives you a guide, a pellet guide on the back of different flavors of pellets and what they are good as far as meats go. Also internal temperature guide on the back of that as well. So really cool there. And then about the Ironwood 650 and 885 assembly guide. Now, I will spare you from watching me put this thing together, and Traeger does a way better job than I do as far as showing you how to put it together. They have a great video, and I'm going to put a link in the iCard above and also in the description box below to an assembly video that Traeger has for the Ironwood 885. It's absolutely excellent. So if you're wanting to see a video on how to do it, because I would rather watch somebody do it than read one of these things, check out that video. But here is an assembly guide for your Ironwood. See what else is in the box. Owner's manual. I know most of you are going to throw this in the trash, but I think it's good to keep up with. Although I'm always asking Brandy, where's my owner's manual to everything. She's shaking her head. Meat probe. What is this? Oh wow, Traeger sticker. Good deal. Again, it's always an experience. And there's your owner's manual. Love it. And Ironwood 650/885 tool kit and hardware kit. Everything's labeled on the back. We're going to see how well it's labeled in a minute. But everything should be there for you to put your grill together. Here's the end plates for the grill. It goes in between the legs on both ends. So that's those. And I think that's it for that box. So that's the box that you start with. Cool little box. Let's see what else is in the big box. Alright, so now I'm gonna move my beer holder over here. And we're fixing to get this thing out and put it together. And I just had a bright idea and I think it's gonna work fantastic. We are going to pull the very video that I told you guys about up on that screen right there. And we are going to watch the video and put it together by that video and see how that works, because I think that's gonna work out way better than going through that manual. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna tell you how that works. So when we bring you back, this Ironwood 885 is gonna be put together, and we're gonna tell you what we think about it. All right, guys, here it is. About 40 minutes later, no problems at all, really easy. And all we used to put it together was the video from Traeger, the assembly guide for the Ironwood. I'm sure, I haven't looked, but I'm sure they have them for all models. So give that a look if you have a different model. But really easy, pretty self-explanatory. All the tools that we needed were actually in the kit. And really it already comes with the hopper on it. So really it's just putting the 4 legs on, the end plates, the shelf, and the handle, and that was it. So man, this thing is an awesome looking smoker and grill. I love it. It reminds me a lot of the Pro 780, but with a lot of features of the Timberline, and we're going to talk about that more in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to show you the internal components, the things that I like about it that the 780 had and the Timberline has. And we'll do the startup with priming the auger and all that stuff. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be looking for the next video on the Ironwood when we go through the features and start it up. See you then.